Drink 1 cup a day to reduce inflammation, a powerful anti-inflammatory recipe. Inflammation is at the root of almost every chronic health issue. Whether it's joint pain, digestive discomfort, constant fatigue, or even autoimmune conditions, inflammation is the underlying culprit. But what if I told you that just 1 cup a day of a simple natural drink could help you combat inflammation and restore your body's balance? Stick with me as I break down the science behind this powerful anti-inflammatory drink and show you how to make it at home. Why reducing inflammation is essential. Inflammation is your body's natural defense mechanism against injury and infection. But when it becomes chronic, it silently damages your cells, leading to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and even brain fog. Modern diets and lifestyles fuel inflammation, but the good news is that nature provides powerful remedies to counteract it. That's why today, I'm sharing an anti-inflammatory drink that combines some of the most potent ingredients to help you feel better, move better, and live better. The ingredients for your anti-inflammatory drink. Each ingredient in this drink plays a crucial role in calming inflammation, boosting immunity, and improving overall health. Let's break them down. Number 1 is cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a delicious spice. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. It contains cinnamaldehyde and cinnamic acid, which fight oxidative stress and lower inflammation. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes that contribute to chronic inflammation. Cinnamon improves circulation and digestion, which are the 2 key factors in reducing inflammatory responses. If you are wondering which type of cinnamon is the best type to use, the Ceylon cinnamon is the best choice because it has the highest antioxidant content and fewer harmful compounds than the cassia cinnamon. The number 2 ingredient of this anti-inflammatory drink is cardamom. Cardamom is often overlooked, but it's packed with inflammation-fighting compounds. It contains powerful antioxidants like alpha-terpenol and limonene, which neutralizes free radicals. Cardamom supports gut health, reducing bloating and digestive inflammation. It has antibacterial properties that improve oral health and prevent infections. Adding this spice makes the drink more effective and more flavorful. Number 3 is turmeric. Turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, and modern science confirms its incredible benefits. Its active compound curcumin is as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, without the side effects. Research shows curcumin reduces inflammation in arthritis, digestive disorders, and even brain conditions. It supports liver detoxification, helping your body eliminate toxins that cause inflammation. Turmeric on its own has low absorption, which is why we add the next ingredient, black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that boosts curcumin absorption by 2000%. Without black pepper, most of the turmeric you consume won't be absorbed by your body. That's why this tiny ingredient makes a big difference. Number 5 is ginger. Ginger is another inflammation-fighting powerhouse. It contains gingerols and pyridols, which help reduce joint pain, muscle soreness, and digestive issues. It also improves gut health by soothing the digestive tract and reducing bloating. Ginger supports immune function, making it a great daily health booster. Number 6 ingredient is lemon or lime. Lemon and lime are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps flush out toxins that contribute to inflammation. They supports collagen production, keeping your joints, skin, and blood vessels healthy, and also enhances the bioavailability of other anti-inflammatory compounds. Number 7, which is the base of the anti-inflammatory drink, is green tea. Green tea contains EGCG epigallocatechin gallate, which is a potent antioxidant with proven anti-inflammatory effects. It supports heart health, brain function, and fat metabolism. The EGCG lowers oxidative stress, reducing inflammation in the body. If you don't like green tea, loose leaf black tea is another great option. Research shows that loose leaf tea has more antioxidants than tea bags, so opt for loose tea if possible. How to make this powerful anti-inflammatory drink. Here's how you can prepare this inflammation-fighting drink in just a few minutes. The ingredients and their quantities. 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon loose green tea, or 1 tea bag, 1/4 teaspoon ground Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, a few black peppercorns, or a pinch of ground black pepper, 1/2 inch fresh ginger, or 1 teaspoon ground ginger. Juice of 1/2 a lemon, or 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice, raw honey, optional, for taste. 1. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan. 2. Once boiling, turn off the heat and add the tea leaves, or tea bag. 3. Stir in the cinnamon, cardamom, turmeric, black pepper, and ginger. 4. Let it steep for 5-7 minutes. 5. Strain the tea into a cup. 6. Add the juice of 1/2 a lemon. 7. If desired, add a teaspoon of raw honey for sweetness. Then sip slowly, don't gulp it all at once. Best time to drink this tea for maximum benefits. For the best results, drink this tea early in the morning, to start your day with an anti-inflammatory boost, or mid-morning or afternoon, for sustained energy and inflammation control. Try drinking 1 cup daily for a week, and you'll likely notice less joint pain and stiffness, improved digestion, better energy levels, clearer skin, and fewer breakouts. This simple 1 cup a day habit can make a huge difference in your overall health. Give it a try and let me know in the comments. Did you notice any changes in your body? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.